Hello, this is Scammer Hunter. Today's podcast, I wanted to talk about um, the IRS back taxes scam. It's been going on for quite a while, for a number of years. Um, I've had them try it on me, years ago. Um, so what they'll do is the scammers will call you and they'll pose as an IRS agent, saying that they're from the IRS Criminal Division, something like that. And they'll say that for the year so and so, you owe so much in back taxes, thousands of dollars, and that they issued a warrant for your arrest, and you're going to be arrested in 45 minutes, and the federal authorities are on their way. The idea is to get you, to get you worried and get you scared, so you'll pay them. So they'll say, but if you pay this amount now, then I'll cancel the warrant. So that's how they get you hooked into it. Um, and they'll give you like a case number to try to sound official. Um, so go through their little thing there, and they'll say if you owe, say from 2018, they'll say you owe us, $7,500, say, and if you pay that now, then we'll cancel the warrant and you won't go to jail, federal prison. Otherwise, they say they'll send you to prison for tax evasion for 10 years or whatever they say. And they say, can we confirm, you want to confirm your social and your name and all that, your address, and then they'll say, okay. And then they'll tell you, okay, you want to say, can I pay this? You get nervous. People get nervous. They can, how do I pay this? And they'll say, well, you're going to have to go get some gift cards from Target and you can pay it over the phone. And, which is obviously they would never do, but that's what they tell people and people do it. And they'll be out thousands of dollars and they'll never see it again. Um, so, like I say, they're pretty good at running it. So, and after you can go to IRS website and you can see right on the site that they never call you on the phone. They send you a notice in the mail, telling you, hey, you owe this or you owe that or there's a problem. Contact the IRS, and you can contact them directly and talk to them. And then if you owe them, you can work out payment with them directly on the phone or do it from the website. But that's the only place you would pay them. You would never pay somebody, especially with gift cards. So, these scammers will try anything. And so I just wanted to bring awareness. I put it on my YouTube channel, a short little video. So I try to get live phone calls, but it's kind of difficult. So that's why I do these presentations on PowerPoint. Uh, and another topic I wanted to discuss real quick is I know it's tax season, and I wanted to review two tax services that I've used, and I actually worked for one of them for a short time. First one being TurboTax. I actually worked for them for a short time. Um, and then the other one is freetaxusa.com. Um, I'm just giving my honest review of TurboTax. They claim it's 100% free with expert help, but only a small percent of filers qualify for that. If you need any kind of form at all, then you have to go for the one of other packages, which deluxe or the premier, which costs you anywhere from 90 to 180 bucks or 70 bucks, whatever it is. And they got a business one too, so then they charge you the e-file. They charge you for 50 for state, and then they charge you for if you need expert tax assistance if it doesn't come with your package, and they want to charge you extra for that. But most people were paying anywhere from 140 to $340, to file their taxes. And then a lot of customers were called like that were upset because they said it was free, and now I'm having to pay all this money. And they also had a large percentage of returns that were rejected. Customers called complaining about that. A lot of customers called me and said, "Hey, why is my return rejected multiple times?" And the software is supposed to catch it. Like AGI is wrong or Social Security is wrong or something like that. Child tax credit problem, and the software didn't catch it. So, and they were complaining about that. Uh, so, it has a lot of, in my opinion, from my personal uh, experience, that there's a lot of glitches in it, and so. And then the one I use is freetaxusa.com, and I found it to be everything they said it was. They have 3 basic packages: basic, premium, and self-employed, and they don't charge you anything for any of them. The only thing they charge you for is $14.99 for your state return. Free uh, free e-file. Uh, they don't charge you the e-file. Like TurboTax charges you the e-file, and they don't charge you here. All they charge you here is, and they force you on TurboTax to get extra things. They won't file your taxes unless you get the extra package, unless you upgrade. So, and here they charge you audit defense is only $19.99, and if you want pro support, that's $39.99. If you want a tax pro, but other than that, those are the only two. And their deluxe package is $7.99, whereas TurboTax is $79.99. So, and you get live chat with this, and part you get support and unlimited amendments with the deluxe. Um, um, and you can direct deposit, get a paper check, whatever. Um, and you can go to the website and keep track of the status of your return. Uh, so I used it, and I filed my state and federal. It only cost me $14.99. For basic W-2s. If you have other forms and other things, they don't charge you for that. And if you don't want extra support, you don't have to have it. They don't force it on you. So you can file your returns, state and federal, for $14.99. And if you want to, you can. And it's an easy process. I went through it, and it took me 15 minutes, and I submitted my returns for free. So just a one state charge, and that was it. $14.99, and that's exactly as they advertise on the site. So I found it to be a lot better and a lot cheaper. So I was very impressed with it. Okay, I just wanted to give a quick review of both sites. And the thing with TurboTax too is their CD has a lot of glitches in it. You buy the CD, people would buy it from Amazon or what have you, download it would have a lot of glitches, or the mobile app had a lot of glitches in it. So now with my free tax USA, you go right on their website, and it worked fine. I didn't have any problems with it. So, and again, it's free to e-file, so it's a good service. So I'd recommend that one. Thank you.